Allah created the nature generally as it is according to Quran al-Kainat beautifully and brilliantly served the air based on excellent creation human being in exchange of worshipping. Now what we can do? We keep indulging ourselves by disobeying him and not listening to him while making up our own path of liberty, of freedom, of you is to be in his services. While you're doing that, it keep creating, keep making easy path towards Jannatul Firdaus, and even higher with thousand and million of angels there to reception and welcoming you.